హైదరాబాద్లో ఛాయ్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ చాలామంది అంటే చిన్న పెద్ద తేడా లేకుండా ఇక్కడ ఛాయ్ అనేది చాలా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి డైలీ నీడ్ లాగే భావిస్తుంటారు. సో అలాంటి ఛాయ్ని ఫ్రీగా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. ఇది డాక్టర్ రవీంద్రనాథ్ ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా వీళ్ళు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అసలు దీన్ని ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది, అసలు ఫ్రీ ఛాయ్ ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నారు అనే దాని మీద, అసలు దీని మోటివ్ ఏంటి, వీళ్ళ మోటివ్ ఏంటి అనేది కూడా మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. మనతో పాటు అభిషేక్ గారు ఉన్నారు దాని గురించి మనకు చెప్పడానికి. సో ఆయన అడిగి దీని గురించి మరిన్ని వివరాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. Is there any intensity to start free chai?
There is no intensity, but there is only one thing behind this is to help the needy people.
Okay.
And not just chai and biscuit, but also providing washrooms to them with completely hygiene and sanitized washrooms for men and women both. We are also going to put up sanitary dispensers in the ladies' washroom so that the women can use that. So that's.
Is there any collaborations with you, and what is the companies involved in this?
Company, it's like Exora Group is what our main company is, and Lou Cafe is the brand where we produce all these washrooms and units everywhere. We have around 350 to 400 plus units in the entire Telangana, along with the help of GHMC, obviously. So that's it.
How you got this idea about free chai? How you start this idea? Where it starts?
It starts with Mr. Abhishek Nath, the CEO of the company. It was like we had few units over here in the entire area, and there are also few hospitals. So the family members of the patients do keep walking here and there. There are people working with daily wages of municipal people who actually keep sitting here and there, and means he just thought of helping them out, and he came up with the concept called free tea and biscuit. That's it.
Is there any branches or only one you are started?
This is the first unit, and I will tell you this will not be the last.
Is there any ideas elaborate this? Or you want to have any idea about this and to start many of branches?
We have not yet planned about it, but definitely it will not be the last one. Not just providing tea, biscuit, hygiene washroom, we are also educating people how the washroom needs to be kept and how it has to be used. That is the only entire thing behind the entire this concept.
Tell me some words about Dr. Rabindranath garu.
Sir, I am very small person to talk about him. He was a great guy. He was the man supporting people in his days with medicines and medical help. So he used to help plenty of them, going each and every city or each and every places in Hyderabad and Telangana, or in the south, I would say. And his son, Mr. Abhishek Nath, has been following the same steps, and this is the first step again that we have taken into consideration.
What is the main motive of your project?
Foundation main prospect or main point, there is nothing like that. It is only about helping.
Okay.
Help is only what we do.
Is there any through your foundation? Is there any help to people?
There were many things that was done in the past, like providing free rice, free food in the past in many of the places in Hyderabad earlier.
Okay.
And now, after a few months, we have come up with this of providing tea and thing.
How many days it's been to start this?
It's been almost 10 days now.
Okay.
We started, and the people, I believe, so we start at 8 a.m. in the morning, and in the evening around at 8 we close this. In between this 12 hours, there are almost around 300 to 500 people who walk in over here and have a tea. And it is nothing like that we have a calculation of only 300 people will have and then we have to close it out. It is nothing like that. As many people who are coming, unlimited. As many people can come, we will keep providing them with tea, biscuit and water.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్